Birds in forest. Forests are home to a wide variety of bird species. Each with unique characteristics and behaviors. Some common birds found in forests include woodpeckers. These birds are known for their sharp beaks and ability to peck holes in trees in search of insects to eat. They also use their beaks to drum on trees as a form of communication. Owls. These nocturnal birds of prey have excellent night vision and can fly silently to sneak up on their prey. They are known for their distinct hooting calls. Hawks. These birds of prey hunt during the day and are known for their sharp talons and keen eyesight. They often perch on high branches, looking for small mammals and birds to catch. Thrushes. These small birds are known for their beautiful singing voices and can often be heard singing in the forest. Warblers. These small, colorful birds are known for their vibrant plumage and melodic songs. They often flit about in the tree canopy in search of insects to eat. Jays. These birds are known for their raucous calls and intelligence. They are often seen foraging on the forest floor or stealing food from other birds. These are just a few examples of the many bird species found in forests. Each species plays an important role in the forest ecosystem. From pollinating plants to controlling insect populations. Please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.